on, catch him!
I'm doing 2 fucking 100!
AJ, no!
Alright guys, today we are gonna go out for a drive. As you can see, there's a lot of BMWs on this drive and lots of M4s, M3s, M5s, a lot of 4 Series, 3 Series. We are all going out for a drive and we are gonna have lots of fun, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So let's go.
See you guys next time. Our VM cannot take us. Woo!
You don't do that!
He's pulling away! Come on, AJ! AJ, come on, catch him!
I'm doing 2 fucking 100!
AJ, no! Put on 100 more! Come on, AJ, you can do...
Max!
Oh. Oh my god! Oh, they're racing!
So we are at the border of Perak. We had a great drive, amazing drive over here. There's so many nice cars. We have an M2 here, an M4 pre-facelift. We have another M4 with the customized headlights. We have a very nice M4 competition. We have an E92 M3 over here. We have the sickest black M5 with carbon everything, carbon everywhere. And there are so many M4s here, so many M4 comps. An amazing looking M5 right here. This is what it's all about. So many other BMWs which are too long to list here. And we also have my car, which is probably, I'm pretty sure, the slowest car around here. Everyone is so fast here. But that's fine. It's fine. We drove at behind everyone. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. We had such an amazing drive. Make sure to stick around for next week's vlog. We're gonna do something crazy. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. Have an awesome day. See you next time.
And camera rolling and action.
Yeah, so we are at the border of Perak. Huh?
We can't leave the state. Cut. And rolling, scene 1 and action.
So we are at the border of Perak. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to click the